Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. Today I want to talk about a sudden development that has taken place in the crypto market. Why am I talking about the crypto market? Because people had begun a premature celebration when Bitcoin started to rally. From nearly 23,000, Bitcoin went to 25,000. As I predicted, the stock market went for a huge rally, and this was the fourth week when the US stock market was on upswing. Indian stock market had already almost touched 18,000. People were beginning to get nervous, and most people said that this is the beginning of a new bull market. All that seems to have evaporated after Wednesday. What happened on Wednesday, what was I discussed yesterday in my Be Rich video, but not didn't do very well. What I said is the Fed released its minutes. A minutes is a place where you have an idea of what was discussed in the Fed meeting. What the Fed clearly said, and what was not understood by the market in the last 4 weeks, is that they are not done with increasing interest rates. Interest rates will continue to increase. Even if inflation falls, interest rates will go up till it hits the target of its 2%, which means that come September, there is going to be a rise in interest rates. The American job numbers have been extremely strong. Core inflation has gone up. Inflation in England has gone up. Whatever little inflation fall took place only because gasoline prices fell. There has been no let up in underlying inflationary pressure. The Fed will have one more data point to decide before it decides on September 26th. It is very clear that the Fed has to increase interest rates in September. The only question is by how much. It is now clear unless something dramatically changes in the next 20 days, the Fed will increase interest rates by 0.5 minimum. The only question that is left in front of us is whether the Fed is going to maintain a 0.75% interest rate or is it going to cut at 0.5. That is the debate that is taking place. The Fed has said it will continue to increase interest rates continuously, albeit at a slower pace. It means a 0.75 increase may become zero point 0.5 if data determines it. That means there is no letdown in pressure on interest rates. Loans are going to get costlier, yields are going to go up, and therefore dollar is going to get stronger, and the dollar reversed its trend and continued to grow. And therefore the American stock exchange corrected deeply and is looking set to fall as I speak to you this Friday evening. This means that crude is going to get choppy because the Saudis and the OPEC members will clamp down on production if US continues to release more from its strategic reverses. It is now clear that cryptocurrencies is not some magic pill like gold. It is a very volatile asset and it clearly depends upon the monetary policy of the United States. If the dollar continues to gain strength, if the Fed continues to taper tighten, and if interest rates go up, definitely it means that cryptos will correct. So cryptos are not a separate universe independent of the Federal Reserve as if they are some gold standard. If the Fed tightens further, you can expect further correction in cryptocurrency. The moment the Fed released its minutes, people read it and they digested it. The cryptos crashed today. From $25,000 a Bitcoin, it suddenly crashed to 21,500 for a short period of time. This short period of time for 10 minutes, the Bitcoin traded below 22,000 and then has just managed to reach 22,000. It means the Fed has dropped, but the Bitcoin has dropped more than 10%. You don't get violent 10% swings in the US stock market on a single day. But here, in a matter of minutes, there is a 10% price fall. It is very clear as Fed tightens, dollar becomes more valuable, cryptos become less valuable. It is not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and all other coins have also corrected deeply. The market participants, of course, say that we do not understand why this correction has happened. But it is clear as daylight this correction has happened because the Fed minute says interest rates are climbing till inflation is tamed. When I spoke to Raghuram Rajan, he told me that the Fed will not stop, will not pause till it clearly sees an indication that the interest rate, the inflation is tapering. Like a statistician economist pointed out, if there is a 0% increase in inflation, there is no decline in inflation. Even then, the best case scenario is 6% at the end of the year. The Fed cannot stop tightening if inflation remains above 6%. Therefore, you can expect various degrees of tightening in the coming 3 months. The Kansas City governor also said the same thing, that he expects interest rates to go up this year. He expects interest rates to go up next year, and then there will be a long pause. So it is clear till at least April, May of next year, interest rates will rise unless inflation corrects dramatically. This means that loans are going to become costlier, consumer spending is going to be under pressure, and this means credit card spending is going to be under pressure. Housing loans will be under pressure because people will not borrow at these rates to buy new houses. All this means that there is going to be a contraction in the American economy sometime in late 2023. What we saw just now was only a technical revision. Earnings of large companies are going to be under severe pressure, and there are going to be earnings downgrades. There was nothing in the market for it to have such an euphoric rise, especially in emerging markets like India, where the FII is returned. Today, there was a bloodbath in the Indian stock exchanges. The Nifty, which consists of the top 50 Indian stocks, made a deep correction of almost 200 points in a single day. We expect this to continue and correction to happen unless market becomes realistic and economy contracts. Inflation is not going to come down, and until inflation comes down, interest rates are set to rise higher. Cryptocurrencies will correct. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this content, hit the subscribe button of my channel and turn on the bell notification. If you do not turn on the bell notification, you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support for Be Rich. Good evening and welcome back to Be Rich. I am visiting the historic town of Trichy on the 27th of August. We are planning to hold a meeting in Trichy where I get to meet my subscribers and people who follow me on social media. This will be a live interaction with my friends, followers, and subscribers of my channel. It is very interesting. We have had several events in various small towns of Tamil Nadu. If you wish to participate in that event, a WhatsApp number is given below. You may contact us on that WhatsApp number, or you could drop an email to the address given below. My team will respond to you. I hope to see you in Trichy on the 27th of August at 6 p.m. Thank you for supporting Be Rich. Good evening. It was decided to do an event in Dubai on the 23rd of September. It was a Friday. By popular demand, we have shifted this event to 24th September, the Saturday, so that it would be convenient for you people to attend. So I'll be in Dubai on the 24th of September at 6 p.m. Hope to see you in Dubai. Those desirous of participating in the Dubai event can contact us at the WhatsApp number given below or mail to the email ID given below. We will see you in Dubai. Kindly drop us an email or send a message on the WhatsApp number. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.